part of working from home has been being able to spend more time with family and not having to travel out of town or long distances for court appearances and discoveries. With Zoom, we can now have these matters heard with just the click of a button, so it saves us a lot of time. Since quarantine started, I've taken up cooking. After having had a number of mishaps in the kitchen in the past, it's something I've avoided doing for quite some time. But with restaurants having been closed and with a number of tempting and creative recipes online, I thought I'd experiment, and it turns out to be something I really enjoy doing. When I'm not reading medical records and reports for work, I do enjoy reading about psychology, or you'll find me searching the latest recipes online. I hope the ability to have proceedings heard virtually remains in place after these restrictions are lifted. It certainly expedites matters and it reduces costs for clients as well. The most challenging part initially was finding that work-life balance. But with time, I think we've all gotten into our own routines, and I do find that not being able to interact with colleagues on a daily basis, whether socially or simply to bounce ideas off of each other, still remains a challenge. I haven't binge-watched any new shows, but I've been able to finish watching the Good Wife series, which I initially started a number of years ago and just never got around to finishing. And lately with the holidays, I've also watched a number of holiday movies as well.